Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing my fall shower routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is wrap up my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my towel and actually change into my towel really fast off camera. So we're gonna start by brushing my teeth. I brush my teeth pretty hard. I just like my teeth to be super white, and I like my tongue to be pink. Feel as though like your tongue is now brushed all the way until your tongue is pink. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna use my Act mouthwash. I really like this mouthwash. This is the mint fluoride rinse. It's really good. It kind of gets whatever is left over in my mouth out, and I'm just gonna spit that out. After that, I am going to be using my body wash and my exfoliating sponge to wash my body. I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, which is Olbali. Olbali is a full-on body care line. They have health, feminine care, and also some delicious coffee. I did receive multiple products from them. The first one, which I am going to be using in the video, is their Foolproof Body Warm Oatmeal and Sweet Almond Vaginal Cleanse. Now, the great thing about their soap is that it does foam up really well. The other one I did get is their Cranberry Juice and Cool Peppermint. And the next one I got is their Velvet Yogurt and Celebrates Elderberry Vaginal Cleanse. To take care of my feminine area, I am going to be using Olbali's Foolproof Body Vaginal Cleanser. This stuff is soothing, calming, and super sensitive for your skin. And it is also delicate enough for you to use every day. And now we're going to be shaving my legs. I'm using a shaving gel, and I'm going to be using my razor as well. This is a 5-blade razor, and I like the 5-blade because it literally cuts the hair really low. Now I do shave my legs and my underarm. My other lady parts I do wax. I like that the hair grows back slowly with wax, but my sensitive self could not wax my underarms, so shaving it is. So now I'm gonna start exfoliating my body with a good sugar scrub. I love a good exfoliant. I'm gonna rub this sugar scrub in. I just feel as though like if you really want to have soft skin, you have to exfoliate your body. So I'm gonna be exfoliating my entire body. one of my favorite techniques I added to my shower routine is using body conditioners. Honestly, it literally transformed my shower routine. When I talk about soft, that's literally how your skin is gonna feel when using a body conditioner. Now let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and grate my feet. I have super dry feet thanks to my grandmother, so I want to make sure I grate that feet. Now I'm currently menstruating, so I'm going to be using my Olbali pads. Now the great thing about these pads is that they are non-toxic cotton pads with lavender as opposed to non-cotton. So I really love these pads because they were very thin but very durable. I also got their sanitary wipes, which I absolutely love. It did have a nice cooling sensation, so I also used that as well. Now that I'm done taking care of my sanitary, I am gonna go ahead and use my deodorant. I love deodorant spray. It's actually something that I've been recently using that I actually like, and I think y'all should try it out. Y'all will absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this 24-hour moisture body lotion, which smells delicious. It smells so good. You guys saw how like shook I was. This was my first time trying this lotion out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it into my body. To top off everything, I'm gonna go ahead and rub in some body oil. I feel like body oil just makes your body so soft and shiny and glowy, so I'm gonna go ahead and rub in my body oil all over my body. So I did go ahead and switch into my robe to get comfortable, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face with my face wash. I don't really do nothing too crazy. I am peeling at the moment. I'm actually done peeling. I did a chemical peel, so I didn't really do too much of a skincare routine, but if you guys would like a skincare routine, let me know and I got y'all. But I am gonna link an iCard to my chemical peel process if you guys are interested in knowing how that went. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip balm just to make my lip look juicy and soft, of course. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this microcurrent device that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it across my face. It has been helping my face a lot. I did get this microcurrent device from PR, so I've been using it and I've been loving it so much. It really does tighten your face and make your face snatch. Now before heading to bed, I'm gonna go ahead and take my probiotic and prebiotic from Olbali. This is their Foolproof body line. So I'm gonna take that with water and I'm just gonna head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you do, and I'll catch you ladies on my next one. Bye babes.